From this moment, life has begun. From this moment, you are the one. Right beside you is where I belong. From this moment on.
Aku tema nikah Siti Nurul Nabi tidak dengan mas kerja 20 orang itu.
Ya Allah, jadikanlah suamiku ini suami yang soleh di dunia dan akhirat.
I can't wait to live my life with you. I can't wait to start. You and I will never be apart. My dreams came true because of you.
Pada Farah, selamat pengantin baru. Semoga bahagia kekal hayat. Farah, kita orang dari wakil rumah nak ucapkan selamat pengantin baru. Semoga Farah, nanti lahirkan nak cepat-cepat. Itu bagi tahu. Kita orang dah fikir nama. Hai. Hai. Pada roommate masa SEM 1. Semoga selamat pengantin baru pada Farah dan suami. Semoga kekal hingga ke hayat. Cepat imang anak.
Well, you done me and you bet I felt it. I tried to be chill, but you're so hot that I melted. I fell right through the cracks, and now I'm trying to get back. Before the cool done run out, I'll be giving it my bestest, and nothing's gonna stop me but divine intervention. I reckon it's again my turn to win some or learn some, but I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm yours. Yeah, yeah, you best to believe I'm yours, yours and yours alone. Well, open up your minds and see like me. Open up your plans and damn, you're free. I look into your heart and you will find love, 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 love. Listen to the music of the moment, people dance and sing. We're just one big family, and it's our God-forsaken right to be loved, love, loved, loved, loved. Do you hear me? I'm talking to you. Across the water, across the deep blue ocean, under the open sky. Oh my, baby, I'm trying. Boy, I hear you in my dreams. I feel you whisper across the sea. I keep you with me in my heart. You make it easier when life gets hard. Lucky I'm in love with my best friend. Lucky to have been where I have been. Lucky to be coming home again. They don't know how long it takes waiting for a love like this. Every time we say goodbye, I wish we had one more kiss. I'll wait. to have been where I have been, lucky to be coming home again. Lucky we're in love in every way, lucky to have stayed where we have stayed, lucky to be coming home someday. And so I'm sailing through the sea to an island where we'll meet. You'll hear the music, feel the air, I'll put a flower in your hair.
Though the breezes through the trees move so pretty, you're all I see.